Hey, I'm here with Markus Michalewicz. He's the Vice President of the MAA, Maximum Availability Architecture at Oracle. He runs real application clusters under him, data guard. What else do you have, Markus, on your team?
Feed patching provisioning,
Feed patching provisioning.
zero downtime migration if you want to move to the cloud or Exadata, everything that makes it faster, smoother, reliable.
So anything to run your database is always online and always available. And here with me,
We like.
yeah, we like it.
Thank you.
Thank you for doing it.
Thank you. Thank you for using it. Yes.
So I'm here with Kamil. Man, I'm not gonna say your last name. You pronounce it. It's
It's simple. Kamil Stawiarski. Come on.
Stawiarski. Okay, Kamil Stawiarski, or maybe
Perfect.
Kamil Star Wars. It's like probably how you read it, you know.
It's so I'm at the dark side.
Yeah. So Kamil runs the fight with Oracle user group in Poland. You know, it's the Polish conference. It's, in my opinion, you know, don't mean to offend anyone, but it's the best technical conference right now in the world. And
Thank you.
yeah, Kamil, please introduce yourself. And you have your company, so say something about your company.
Everything you said. You know, we're just doing databases. We're making sure that things that you build are properly implemented at customer level, which is usually not the case.
But what he didn't mention is he also makes sure that things we build are very well validated by him before he implements it in customers.
Yes.
Yeah, I can't say that I do also reverse engineering because it is usually illegal. It's legal in UAE, in European Union, by the way. And I'm not going to say that I do that.
I'm not gonna say I don't.
But yes, I make sure that I know what I'm doing.
Yeah,
Exactly.
Good,
Well put,
good.
well put.
Cool.
And we like that too.
So Markus, I attended your session today. So you guys have a new feature that's not that new anymore. Like you released that in ATC
12C actually.
12.2, right?
Yeah.
So that's called. You had application continuity that was released before transparent application continuity, right?
That is correct.
And they are supposed to fix the same problem or resolve the same
Correct.
problem,
Correct.
but in a different way, right?
Correct.
Can you say the difference between AC application continuity and transparent application continuity?
Right. Let me quickly describe
what
the
it
name
is.
says it, but
Yeah.
basically the problem that it tries to solve, either application continuity or transparent application continuity, is when you have a database outage. As Kamil confirmed, we have done all right having the database fail over. What we haven't really done so well is hiding this outage from applications. We had feedback from many customers saying, well, my application still sees an error. And that's exactly where we tailor to hide this now. Now, when I say hide, it means we shouldn't have a application see the outage. So in case we connect to the other instance, or if an in-flight transaction was failing, don't see it, replay it. And for that, we introduced application continuity in 12, but there were a lot of requirements, let's just say that way. For example, using an Oracle connection pool, which is not what every application does. So there's a huge inhibitor to maybe adapt it easily. That's why we invented transparent application continuity. Same idea, except making it a little bit more transparent. So you didn't need to use a connection pool. The side effect of which then is not everything could have been replayed, but yet it was a simple way to just use a driver, a normal driver as you would connect to the database anyway, and then benefit from some of this hidden outage hiding through transparent application continuity. That's the difference between the two.
Oh, nice. And how hard is it to implement?
Shall
Is
we
it,
ask him? He gets to say it first.
Actually, it's not hard at all. Well, the only problem is that a lot of customers I see have implementation of application servers that are using old Oracle clients, right? So if you are using Oracle client version 11.1 or 10, it's really hard because it's impossible. But the main problem is that application vendors and customers don't upgrade clients at the application server level together with upgrading the database. They tend to forget about it. We are upgrading the databases. We are upgrading.
There is a whole stack that is involved, right?
There's a whole
people
stack
don't realize
that you can only upgrade the database and leave away application servers. You have to do it together, and this is the main problem from my point of view right now.
So if people want to know more about tech and AC, where should they go? Documentation is enough?
Documentation will be very good. We have just introduced a new set of documentations, but you know what? Just start by oracle.com/go/to/AC and go from there.
All right. Thank you, Markus. Thank you, Kamil.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.